Okay, so I'm about to watch One Guy, One Screwdriver. Should be good.
No, it's not. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh!
I think the only thing you will taste today is your own.
Oh my
What the
gosh! Oh my goodness!
What the fuck?
Oh! Oh my goodness! Oh my
Oh
goodness!
shit! Oh my god! Oh!
Why would someone do that to themselves?
What the fuck?
Why would someone do that? Ew! Oh my gosh! No!
Oh my god! No, this is the same guy from One Guy, One Jar too. Yes.
He just loves blue.
In both places, in both holes.
Oh my gosh! That must have been hilarious. That was the worst video ever. Don't ever watch it, please. Please. Don't ever watch it. Oh my gosh.
That's some messed up shit.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh.
What's another one?
Ugh.